quickly draw a triangle. Triangle of, let's say, 150. Right? So we get one shape. What if, let me make the cat visible. What will happen if I rotate the cat upwards and draw the same thing again? So let us give it a try. So what I will do is, after drawing this triangle of 150, I'll actually turn the cat upwards by 90 degrees like this and ask it to draw the same triangle, right, of 150. Okay, so that's one shape we get. What if I was actually rotating it by another 90? That becomes 180, right? So this is what we get, right? So let us sort of try and get it little downwards. Right? How do we get it down at this point in time? How do we get this cat move downwards? Maybe we have, remember, the down means negative on the y-axis. So we say change y by -10, right? -10. No, not that much, right? So maybe -100. Okay. And obviously, I think before that, I'll need to say pen up before we do any of this. And towards the end, we'll obviously say pen down again. Yeah. So this looks bit okay. We have moved it down. So we have two triangles here. Sorry, yeah, two triangles like this. What if you also move this triangle towards a bit towards right? How do we move something towards right? A positive value on the x-axis will move it towards right. So let us change x also maybe by 100. Okay, a little more, I think. Now a little less, 150. And there you go. What did we just make? It just ended up becoming a star, right? So just with some few combinations of triangles, two combinations of triangle and few rotations, we just made a star, right? And we can actually make a star of various sizes. Same thing, I'll make a block out of it. And that block will take a parameter. And instead of 150, we'll use the value or input given in that parameter, just like we did for square. Why don't you give it a try yourself, right? Let's also quickly draw a pentagon. So probably I'll just keep this aside for now, or let us, for now, maybe we can add a block to it and we can keep it aside a bit. So let's make a block and let's say star, right? Let's take an input and say size, and we use it here, and we put the size input at both the places, and looks like we need to edit here as well, right? So that would probably involve some calculations that we want, but let us try and use for now, let us just keep it what this value is, and we'll use we'll probably take us some trial and error later. We can do that together, or this could be an exercise for all of you. But if I say star of maybe 150, I get the same thing. It may not work if it is, let's say, a star of 100. It may look a bit odd, but star of 150 surely works. Right. So let's skip this down. We can always refer back to it later. But whenever we'll come to it, we'll know that this pattern is now a star pattern. This is something it gives us a star. We just need to change few of these values here in terms of x and y, but this is the star pattern for us.